racing our GT3 cars at Circuit Paul Richard. Coming up next on Slot Car Racing. Hello everybody, welcome back to another great episode of Slot Car Racing. Brand new league right after Halloween. We are going to be racing our GT3 cars right down here tonight at Circuit Paul Richard in France. And if you think this track looks really cool and you want to build it, come on down over to our Patreon page, which will be flashing up here, and I will personally show you how to build this amazing track using Carrera 4-lane digital track. So without further ado, let's go down and see our race. So there's only 3 of us tonight, but it should still be a good night. Good night. So lap 8, 5, 3, 1. Get around these stairs. That's gonna look cool. Oh, yeah. Using some good footage. 31 laps, 3, 5, 1. Give me Howard. 39 laps, 3, 5, 1. And we still got a minute left. pole position. Seven laps, 351. And wasn't that an amazing race? So now here we are at our scoreboard. We only had 3 people last night, but November, December usually thins out. Anyway, I've got 34 points, Josh has 66, and Howard has 52. So let's see how that looks on our standings. Here's our standings for the league so far. I'm in 3rd place with 34 points, Howard is in 2nd with 52, and Josh is in 1st with 66. Can't wait for next week, and hopefully we will see more of our racers back in action. Well, I hope you enjoyed watching all those thrills and chills as we raced the great, amazing Paul Richard track down in France. And if you would like to build this amazing layout, remember again to check us out on Patreon, which the page will be coming up here, and I'll leave a link for that down in the descriptions below. So again, remember to like, subscribe, and share this video with everybody you know, so that the great Monster Hobbies Race Legacy can continue. And next week we will be in Zolder in Belgium, and that'll be a really cool track. So, again, have a great slot car race, and we'll see you next week.